Hi everybody, it's me Sissy. I'm back with a little Dollar Tree haul. Not a whole lot of stuff, but I have one or two little wish list items that I've been kind of looking for and I finally found. So I'll go ahead and share it with you, and then hopefully after this video I'll have some DIYs put up. So let's just get right to it. I got one of these great silver shiny gift bags. This is for a DIY. I'm going to give this a try. And as usual, if it doesn't work, y'all will never see it again, but we'll see. We'll see. And I got two of these little, where's the other one? Little ceramic painting sets. I just wanted the little bunnies out of them. I got a DIY coming up with those. I'm going to show you two ways you can decorate these little bunnies and incorporate them into your Easter decor. If it works, of course. I've got some wooden clothespins. These are for a DIY. Let's see. Oh, and some of this sand, the green decorative sand. That's a great deal. And let's see. Oh, wish list item. I have been looking for this and looking for this. It is the Salt 84 Himalayan Pink Sea Salt. This stuff is great. I love it. I usually, when Dollar Tree has it in the big grinder, I get it, but this is so much better just in the bag. So I got two of those. My Dollar Tree is finally getting in some of the shirts, and I'm loving putting stuff on it with my Cricut. So I picked up another one for my son to make him another shirt. And here's a wish list item. I saw, I believe it was Sandra from Sandra's Halls, had the little desk sign. This girl can, but I'm going to take my Cricut, and on the other side I'm going to put my own little saying. So some people have said they would like to see some of the Cricut stuff, but I know everybody doesn't have a Cricut, but I might do a tutorial on that and show exactly how I do my letters and the vinyl and the transfer and everything. I got another one of the wreath forms. This is a 14-inch, so of course I got another wreath coming up. Several actually, but then I got some of the Easter chenille stems, nice pretty spring colors. This cute little garden sign, welcome to our garden. That's going to be for a DIY if I can get it to work. I've always seen these little buckets in there in the Dollar Tree. I never used them for anything, but I just picked them up. I was trying to think of an idea of what I can use them for, but we'll see. I got a little idea kind of going around in my head, but sometimes the stuff in my head just goes round and round and then goes away. So, but anyway, I got two rolls of the spring ribbon. These are not necessarily Easter. They can just be spring because I made sure there was no eggs or anything on them. So those are going to be for a DIY coming up. And then another wish list item. I know these are for kids, but I love them too. It's the little stretch bracelets. This girl can, girl boss, and hello beautiful. I just love the spring colors on here, and I actually have a shirt that has all these colors in it, so I'm going to wear these together. And I always love to wear a bracelet anyway, so I got that. And just a random item, some of this Power Stick deodorant. This is great deodorant. I would compare it to Secret or Dove. It works just as well. You know, I'm not running a marathon or anything, so it does a good job. And then I picked up some of these little terracotta pots. I got 3 packs of them. You get 3 for $1. They have different sizes too, but these, I think these are the smallest ones. So I picked those up. And then my last item is I picked up some more florals. Dollar Tree has really got some pretty flowers in this year, but I picked up just a little assortment. Those are so cute. You can't beat the price $1 for those. But anyway, I said this was going to be quick. That's quick. This is it. Let me get the stuff put away, and hopefully right after this there'll be a DIY up. And I will show you, I'm going to actually recycle one of the wreaths from a former video and show you how you can change it from Easter to spring. So y'all stay tuned for that. Anyway, remember, Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Get out there and go shopping and spend some money at Dollar Tree. Let's keep them in business. I don't like all these rumors, things closing and losing money and wanting to raise prices. So, but anyway, we'll keep shopping till they do. Y'all have a great day. Bye.